Where were you born and what was your childhood like?
I was born in Nashville, Tennessee. My dad was in the Army. It was during World War II. After the war, my family moved to Ocala, Florida. So I grew up there. My dad was a doctor, and my mom was a nurse, and I was one of 6 children.
I was born in Washington, Georgia, during World War II. My father was also in the war. We moved to Ocala also after the war was over, and lived there with my one brother and one sister, 3 of us. My mother was a teacher, and my dad was in sales.
And I might add that we met actually the first time we were in the 5th grade, I think, together.
Miss Elaine, what was your favorite hobby to do when you were my age?
Probably my favorite hobby then and today is reading. I love to read. I enjoy being in part of a book club where we really talk in depth about the books we read.
Can you tell me about your time in the Air Force? What made you want to join?
It was after I graduated from law school that I went into the Air Force. I was a captain, and after 4 years got out, I started practicing private law here in Tallahassee.
What was your biggest accomplishment?
My children, our children, because they have all grown to be just strong, loving, caring people.
Why did you want to become a lawyer, and what are you most proud of in your career?
I'm not sure why I wanted to be a lawyer. It just seemed like to be a profession that I wanted to get into. I'm likewise, like Elaine, very proud of our children. That's my success I always like to brag about. My law practice, I spent the last 55 years, I guess, practicing law. We were lucky, I guess, to be a part of the early formations of workers' comp law in Florida, and so just being a part of that was professionally a high point in my life. Before we do too much bragging about me, the real bragging should be about her. And she's been so actively involved with charities, mostly here in Tallahassee. So she's the one that should be celebrated, not me.
What inspired you to create the Alzheimer's Project?
It was really done through my church, St. Paul's United Methodist Church. We discovered through one of the local physicians, Don Zorn, that he was getting a lot of people in with Alzheimer's disease, and he had a great concern for the people who were their caregivers. So that's how I got involved to begin with.
How did you meet your wife, and what's your favorite thing about her?
Well, when I met her, it was easy. It was in 5th grade, I think. I'm not sure. We didn't talk to each other then, but I think she was my first date. And ultimately, we got married in 1966. And then we've celebrated life together since that time.
What does a perfect day look like for you now?
A perfect day? Wow. Not having to work totally.
And I would add to that, we have the opportunity of spending a lot of time at the beach. So spending time at the beach.
Thank you so much for talking to us today. It's been a real pleasure.
My pleasure.
Thank you. Thank you very much. We appreciate you all, and we appreciate your questions.